Hello people of YouTube, hope everyone's having a great Saturday. I'm going to cook a beef brisket ready for sort of Sunday dinner tomorrow, so I'll do it on a slow cook in the air fryer for, I don't know, a few hours, probably 3 hours or something. We'll cook it at about 110, so just going to salt and pepper it. I've dried it off already, so it's on the side. So yeah, I'll give it a go, eh? There you go. It's got a label on it. That's what it is. Bit of salt and pepper. Hey ho. And before anyone says you should put it in a slow cooker, I ain't got a slow cooker. I've got an air fryer and I've got an oven. So yeah, in the tin foil. Yeah, just going to wrap it and it'll be ready to go, I suppose. Take that label off maybe. What do you reckon? I'll give it a whirl, eh? So, it's in the air fryer. Air fryer's turned on. So, it's going at 120 for about 3 hours. I'm going to check it sort of about an hour and a half in, see how it's getting on. So, it's been in there for an hour and 29 minutes so far. I'm just going to check it now. So, just out the air fryer. All the juices in there, lovely. Still needs a bit more. Oh. Back in again for another, maybe an hour, I suppose. 45 minutes, something like that. So there it is, 2:01. It's got 24 minutes and 45 seconds left. But I've pulled it out now. So I'm just going to let it rest for a couple of hours. Just wrap the tin foil over so the juices go back into the meat. Ooh, Julie.
No, right now, because I need it.
There you go. Up nice and close. Just cut a bit off and tried it, and yeah, that tastes lovely. Been resting for a couple of hours. Sorry if you can hear me chomping, but yeah. I could probably do with a sharper knife, but I mean, looks tender, doesn't it? Bit off of there. Probably do with a sharper knife. Oh, it's falling apart. Oh, that's a proper joint, that, isn't it? We won't give you just one bit. We'll give you two bits. Just join them together with a plastic pad. That's, well, there you go. I'm glad I caught that on camera, because look, I've not cut it. It's just flipping where they've put it together. So yeah, I might have to get my meat from Lidl instead, because there's quite a lot of fat in it as well, isn't there? It's going to be like a piece of lamb that I had the other week. Right. Let's stop it there. I mean, there's quite a lot of fat in there, isn't it? I thought the fat was supposed to be on the outside of it, not all the way through it. I mean, yeah, look at that. I mean, that's Sunday dinner tomorrow, but for the amount that it was, I don't think it was worth it. It's shrunk in size. It's not the best, is it?